Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we are going to be learning how to enable or disable Crosshair in Critical Ops. Critical Ops, a popular mobile FPS game, offers players the ability to customize their HUD to enhance gameplay. One such customization is the Crosshair, which can be toggled on or off based on personal preference. To enable or disable Crosshair, launch the Critical Ops application on your mobile device, and from the home page, tap on the gear button at the top right. This will open up this general tab from where you'll need to select Crosshair on the left. Right next to Crosshair, if you want to enable the Crosshair setting, make sure that this square box is checked. You can then adjust other Crosshair options such as Crosshair size, showing base weapon accuracy, movement accuracy, or shooting accuracy. You can adjust the setting by ticking or unticking the box according to your preference on each options. Once you have this Crosshair option enabled, this can significantly improve your aiming accuracy and overall gameplay experience. Now, if you ever want to disable Crosshair, come back to this same menu and uncheck the box right next to Crosshair, and finally click on Save Changes at the top, and that way you will be able to enable or disable Crosshair option in Critical Ops. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.